Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find about device. Right here we have to find a special number which is called build number or version info. So let's scroll and enter version. And in our case it will be version number, so this is the number we are looking for. So all we have to do now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode, and if you've got any kind of screen lock, simply enter to confirm the whole step. Now we can come back to the general list of the settings, and here enter system and update. Here we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. It's a really long list. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So for example, if you've got the pointer location, simply tap on the switcher to turn on this feature and tap on it again to turn it off. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. You have to go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. Your device needs to be restarted to change the setting, so just tap on restart and everything will happen automatically. I don't want to do it right now, but after this whole process, I mean the restart, the developer options will disappear from the system and update settings, but of course you can customize them again. Just go back to the version number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.